So in a recent testing period I have had big Zealot speakers, but today we have a smaller new one, and it's the S86. And while the speaker is not the biggest surprise when we talk about its hardware, it has like two drivers to doing the bass and the midtones and the high notes, but also design is pretty similar to the bigger brother and even the little bit smaller brother. There are like different models with this kind of design. And I do think it's a pretty cool speaker when we talk about design. It is simple, it still looks kind of refreshing, and you still have a lot of functionalities on top with the button layout. So, because it uses two drivers, you do have some little bit of distortions on high volume when you use a lot of bass boosting with some treble. You do hear some sizzling sound, I would call it. It's a bit hard to describe. So yeah, let's just go to the audio samples and you see yourself how the speaker performs. Overall, its sound performance is fine for a Zealot speaker, and I can definitely say it's one of the better ones for sure. But it's still not near to the Show Me Sound Party, for example, even though that speaker is maybe a little bit less powerful in its overall output. It still has more quality, and especially a JBL Extreme 5 of course will beat the speaker because it's much bigger. It also has much more power output. But I do think the Zealot, for the price, around the 70 euro price, it will be a fine sound. Sadly, it sometimes costs about 120 euros, and then I would not recommend it at all. So yeah, let's go to the audio and enjoy it.
Staub in der Lunge. Heute tritt der Boden, wenn wir reinkommen. Zu viel auf dem Herz, ich trag es im Rucksack. Jahrelang gefroren, heute brennt der Blutdruck. Mama sagt, bleibt echt, Junge, ja kein Trugbild. Doch ich seh die Zahlen steigen, das ist, was die Wut will. Die Straße war mein Lehrer, jede Narbe wie ein Segel. Kalt wie nur ein Flur, doch mein Blick bleibt Spiegel. Tiefer Tritt in den Magen, Bruder, jeder Schlag sitzt fest. Keiner hat gefragt, wie es geht, doch sie fragen jetzt, wie man's macht. Kalter Blick, rote Augen, ich hab alles.
Feel it in my ribs, breath catching in the dark. Cup against my lips, your name a little spark. Low and lullaby, shaking all the quiet loose inside. Every little tremor pulls me to the place you hide. Low and lullaby, humming through the floor, through my spine. Late night, blinds half shut, blue glow on your side of the bed. You talk like you're ready to leave, but your hand won't let go of my leg. Drown in the low, in the low, in the low. Say that you're done, but your body says stay. So slow. If this is goodbye, let it pull us below. Let it swallow our pride. Let it carry us. Drown in the low. You traced us. Click on my boots on the tile. I'm late and I'm loving the crime. Mirror said, who do you think you are? I said, baby, I think I'm the vibe. Little smirk on my coffee, lipstick stain, black caffeine. If you're not ready for the spotlight, don't stand this close to me. Used to tuck my shine in my sleeve, used to shrink so you feel tall. Now I walk and take my seat like I paid for the whole room, walls and all. Hey, I walk in like thunder, heartbeat loud. I don't mud on your shoes. It's getting late. You laugh and say you can't stay long, but we both know that's always wrong. Stay a little longer in this backyard light. Talk about nothing till it feels like life. If this is all we ever are, I'm fine. Polaroids in the garden, you and I.
Down cans, tape on the side, codes on a cracked screen, humming all night. Cheap little lamb glows like a cold when the thrift store scat.